Alright guys, so hopefully this might help you. We've got the DJI Osmo Nano here. Now I've just got the tape over the DJI logo. It's because I don't really want it to be seen when I'm trying to wear it on the chest strap. So what's happening is the unit is just not turning on at all. Completely dead. I've been using this a few times today. Got about 25 minutes worth of footage. And whether it's detached or attached, this just will not turn on at all. And I've charged it on the laptop, I've charged it through a USB port, I've used it a few different cables, none of them work. But what I believe will work is if you press that button and that button for 15 seconds, then you might get some success. So I'm just going to try and do this here. It's quite difficult actually to do with one hand while holding a phone. And one person told me that if it doesn't work the first time, then try it again, which sounds ridiculous. So it didn't work that time. There's a different way I can try and do this perhaps. That's probably the best way. I use these two fingers actually. Right, I'm gonna go. No, right, that's it. Oh, yes, we got it. Amazing. So that's how we do it. Ah, thank God, because I'd done like a lot of footage today that I thought I'd lost.
The commitment, the work rate, the endeavour, all there, the intensity was all there.
That looks all blown out on the top there, but it's not. Like when I look at it in the real world, it's fine. I'll show you where I went. I went to a football match. Anyway, it works. Thank you. Goodbye.